In this video, I'll show you how to make or convert a scanned PDF to a searchable PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF with me here and it's a scanned PDF. I'll just double click on it to open it up. And as you can see, I cannot select anything on it. And if I press on Control F to search for anything, it has a ton of words like subtitles. If I look or search for subtitles, it does not recognize the words subtitles. Now, we're going to be using a Foxit PDF editor right here, and all I need to do is just drag and drop my PDF right here. Now, once I do that, you're going to get a couple of things. You're going to get this particular notification, text recognition. Some pages may contain unrecognized text. You can run text recognition to make text searchable or editable. Now, if you've accidentally clicked on Don't Show Again, this particular option is under Convert Recognize Text. And right here, you can either click on Current File, Multiple Files, or Selected Region. I'll click on Current File. And the new dialog box is more or less to show us the current page, all pages. The file has 3 pages, and I want it to be all pages. And the default language selected is English. And what I want from the output is either searchable image text, original image, or editable text. I'm going to go with searchable image text, and I'm going to downsample to 600 dpi right there. And once I'm satisfied, I'll just click on OK. Once you click on OK, the OCR is going to begin. And right there, you can see the process on the bottom right here. And once it's done, you'll see just a little flicker right there. And then your PDF is going to have an asterisk showing you that something or a change has occurred. So I need to click on File, Save As, and navigate to the folder I want to save this particular PDF. And I'm going to change the name to Searchable and click on Save. Once I do that, you're now going to see the searchable file right here. And if I just double click on it, back on Microsoft Edge, if I press on Control F to look for the words subtitles, you can see it has already recognized 25 words right there. You can also make selections because you've OCR'd the PDF for this particular purpose. And that is how you can easily make or convert a scanned PDF into a searchable PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.